Alright, let's write another opinion essay. This one is from IELTS Academic 11. As usual, we need to understand the statement and instruction. Governments should spend money on railways rather than roads. So it's about government spending and two choices here, railways or roads. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? We need to take a clear side and support our opinion. As you know, you should cover both aspects of the task to get a good score for task response. I mean, you need to mention both railways and roads, not just railways. So you need to mention both and support your opinion. My decision, I agree with these statements. Reasons for agreeing, why railways and why not roads? Railways reduce pollution, reduce costs, improve economy, and reduce traffic. Roads increase air pollution. It costs a lot to build them and have traffic jams. Again, you should decide based on the number of ideas and vocabulary you have, not based on what you really think in the real world. Now it's time to write. As usual, we start with the paraphrase. Some believe that governments should prioritize spending funds on railways rather than roads. Instead of should spend, I used should prioritize spending. Instead of money, I used funds, and I kept the rest of the sentence. Prioritize means to decide which things are most important and do them first. Funds, money that is available to be spent on something. Now I need to write my opinion here. I agree with this investment and briefly say why. Because railways are sustainable transportation options that reduce emissions and congestion and spur economic growth. Sustainable, something that can be used without causing damage to the environment. Emissions, gases or particles that are sent into the air. Congestion, it's a time when there is so much traffic that it is difficult to move freely. And spur, to encourage an activity or development or make it happen faster. Now it's time to write the first body paragraph. I will cover pollution and costs in this one. One key advantage of investing in railways is their capacity to provide environmentally friendly transportation solutions. Capacity, the ability to hold or do something. Environmentally friendly, not harmful to the environment. Now I need to explain. Railways offer a more energy efficient mode of travel, with trains typically consuming less fuel per passenger or amount of cargo transported. Energy efficient, using less energy to do something. Mode of travel, the way of moving from one place to another. Consume, to use energy. Cargo, goods or items that are transported. Now, what's the result of that? This results in a lower carbon footprint than road transport, which makes them a valuable asset in mitigating climate change. Carbon footprint, the amount of carbon dioxide produced. Valuable asset, something that is important or useful. Mitigate, to make something less harmful. Now the second point, costs. Additionally, railway infrastructure tends to have a longer lifespan than roads, requiring less maintenance and offering greater durability. Infrastructure, the basic physical systems of a place, like roads, buildings, etc. Maintenance, keeping something in good condition. Durability, the ability to last a long time. Now, what's the result of that? This longevity leads to cost savings and contributes to the overall sustainability of transportation systems. Longevity, the quality of having a long life, contributes to help to cause something to happen. Now, the second body paragraph. In this one, I will cover traffic and economy. Furthermore, I use furthermore because I want to add another point. Investing in railways can significantly alleviate traffic congestion and enhance overall transportation efficiency. Alleviate, to make something less severe. Congestion, traffic on roads. Efficiency, working well without wasting time or energy. Now I need to explain. Unlike roads, which often face traffic jams and bottlenecks, railways operate on dedicated tracks, enabling smoother and more reliable travel. This separation of rail infrastructure from other modes of transportation reduces the likelihood of delays and disruptions, ensuring the timely delivery of goods and dependable commuter services. Bottlenecks, a point where traffic is slowed down or stopped. Dedicated, used only for one particular purpose. Likelihood, the chance that something will happen. Disruption, things that cause problems. Now, what's the result of that? Therefore, by expanding and modernizing railway networks, governments can enhance productivity and improve the quality of life for citizens. Such improvements can lead to increased economic prosperity within regions served by robust railway systems. Modernize to make something more modern. Enhance to make something better or stronger. Prosperity, success, especially financially, and robust, strong. Now it's time to conclude. I will start with in conclusion. I will restate my opinion and I'll summarize all the main points. In conclusion, prioritizing investment in railways offers an eco-friendly solution to transportation challenges. Eco-friendly, not harmful to the environment. So that was my opinion. Now the summary of the main points. Governments can lessen emissions, reduce climate change, and improve efficiency by directing resources towards railway development and choosing railways over roads. Lessen, to reduce. Direct here is a verb, means to allocate or focus resources, such as money, towards a specific purpose or goal. Furthermore, railways provide reliable transportation and alleviate traffic congestion, enhancing regional development and economic prosperity. Alright, I wrote 266 words for this essay and I organized it in paragraphs. In the first one, I simply paraphrased this statement, mentioned my opinion, and answered the question briefly. In my first body paragraph, I covered two aspects of my opinion. In the second one, I mentioned the second two. And in the last one, I restated my opinion and summarized all the main points. One more time, make sure you cover both aspects of the questions like this. It's important to mention them both, not just one part. All right, hope you found it useful. Have a nice day.